Hello, welcome to my channel, Crafty Fox DIYs. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make whipped topping using evaporated milk. Let's get started. To make this recipe, you want to start with 1 can of evaporated milk. You want to have this chilled. I recommend placing it into the refrigerator overnight. You also want to, about a half an hour before you make this recipe, you want to put your bowl and your beaters in the freezer. And then you pour your milk into the bowl, and on high speed, you just whip it up until it gets good and thick and foamy. And whenever you pull the beaters up, the peaks will stay standing. Then you want to add in 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You can use any flavoring that you want. You can also use any flavor of evaporated milk that you want to. And now I'm putting mine on some peach cobbler that I made, and delicious. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.